Good afternoon, everybody. Can you all hear me? Hello, can you all hear me?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, we can hear you. Yes, we can hear you, sir.
Okay, that's
We
good. Good
can
afternoon.
hear you very well. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Today is the Wednesday, 18th of December, 2024. So, like I said, we are moving towards the end of the year. And today is FOMC. So, for US dollar, we are expecting a very strong high impact news for US dollar by 8 p.m. today. So, I will indulge us to be very, very careful because today we might be experiencing some range. Market could literally range and before moving to wherever it wants to move. So FOMC by 8 p.m. Please don't let us forget and let us have it at the back of our mind at 8 p.m. for FOMC. Okay, so we are going to have FOMC economic projections, FOMC statement, FOMC press conference, and all that. So this also is also a news that will also affect the US dollar. And for those that trade gold, BTC, and all that, this news might actually affect because it is interest rate projections. Last month was 4.75. The forecast that has been forecasted by institutions is 4.50, which could be if there is any increase in interest rates, which will lead to more bullish in dollars. And if there is no increase in interest rates, you could look towards some bearish sentiment also for dollars. And also, so we could also be careful while trading this. So let's go to our charts since we don't have much on fundamentals today. So literally, I've been looking at the chart since. Can you all see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes, we can see.
Yes,
Okay,
we can see it.
okay, that's great. So let's start with USDX. Let's start with USDX. Okay, so I'm going to start with daily time frame to see what we have. Changing to line chart. So for USDX, I'm still literally bearish, and I'm looking towards this level, 106.252, and also this low because we're expecting some retracement on USDX. So I go to 4 hours time frame. Now looking at 4 hours time frame, I also changed to my line chart to have a tangible high with a lot of impulse. So we have market take out this low and this supply zone area, right? So looking at 1 hour time frame, I did not see, okay, I have a break of structure retracement and market is heading towards this low. So I'll be bearish on dollar for the next few hours. I'll be very, very bearish on dollar because dollar has shown me the bearish sentiment and I'll sell down to 106.446 area. So my bias today is bearish on dollar. So let's go to some of our pairs. Let's go to some of our pairs. Okay, so let's get some of our pairs. Let's go to USD card, daily time frame. So you can start with weekly. And I would say that USD card is at this resistance. So at this resistance. And where is my low? So I'm taking this as my low because this low has been confirmed on weekly time frame. I'll go to daily time frame to look for our recent high and recent low. So our high has not been tested, which is 1.43546 region. Our high has not been tested, which is 1.146543 region. So we could literally look towards some bullish sentiment on USDX, right? I mean on dollar card. So USD card, like I said, for me to be much more eligible for a proper sell, I would love to see a break of this low, a break of this low, right? A break of this low, right? So 1 hour time frame, we are still literally bearish. So if you want to sell, you could take a short sell on the USD card at about 15 pips. So you can sell USD card at current market price. Sell USD card now. SL, SL at 1.1, 1.43320, 1.43320, TP1, no, not TP1, just TP, TP, TP is up, TP is up, 1.43071. Okay, so let's take that on USD card. Okay, so given that, let's go to another pair, USD CHF. So literally for USD CHF on daily time frame, looking at line charts. So we are currently at this resistance. We are currently at this resistance here. Okay, and 4 hours time frame. I'm looking at this low for 4 hours. So I'm looking at this low, right? And we have a break of this high. I mean, this low here. So I'm currently waiting for a bearish engulfing candle. Once price is unable to break this zone, giving me some bearish engulfing candles, I can sell USDCHF. Okay. So I've not seen a good entry. Yeah, I've seen rejections at this level, but I've not seen a good entry on USDCHF, unlike the USD car thingy that we have. So let's see what will happen on USDCHF. The road is not clear, but I'm looking towards some bearish sentiment on USDCHF. Okay, so giving USD card, I said I'm bearish on USD card, and I would love to sell down to this level, this low, before we see buyers coming on board, right? So let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD. Now, Euro USD will experience a sort of range in the market for a longer period. And if I'm going to daily time frame, I would see this is my high, right? This is my high, and here is my low. So I'm still literally bearish on Euro USD. And even the fact that we have a break at the top, a break at the bottom for Euro USD. But then we have seen some reversal pattern on 4 hours, because we have price forming an head and inverted head and shoulder pattern. Inverted head and shoulder pattern here, right? So then we could now have markets probably going to the upside or downside. That will be, sorry, that will be a function of today's FOMC. That will be a function of today's FOMC. But with what I'm still saying on a larger scale, we've not broken this high, right? And this low was just broken. So what I would love to say, it's the direction for me for Euro USD is not fully clear, right? The direction is not fully clear because if we have a break here and also a break here, and we have a break of structure at this level, I would love to see buyers breaking this high, right? I love to see buyers breaking this high before I enter into the market. So I would love to see something like this, then the market start going up. That is what I would love to see. Okay, so I am still literally bearish. I mean, I've not seen any entry on USD card. Okay, I mean Euro USD. I've not seen any entry on Euro USD. Probably could have a sell to buy scenario. Probably market push down to this level before moving to the upside. We never can tell. So for Euro USD, I'm still holding up. I would love to see much more bullish sentiment for Euro USD, but nothing has been happening yet. So I go to GBP USD. Okay, so for GBP USD on a daily time frame, GBP USD, we already have a clear break of structure here and market moving down to this level, right? So that is showing us that we are of much more bullish sentiment for GBP USD. Also here we have this supply zone, I mean demand zone around this level, and markets could move up to this top. So what I'm saying, what I'm looking towards in essence is I'm looking towards for a breakout above this high. Look forward to a breakout above this high, right? So once price breakout above this high, then we enter a retracement up to this level. Okay, so maybe we should use a buy stop order for GBP USD. A buy stop order for GBP USD. Okay. So buy stop order for GBP USD is what I'm looking towards. Buy stop order for GBP USD. Okay, so let's look at what will happen. Price could go above 1.27177 region before we know what will happen. Okay, so I gave a signal on USD card sell. Let's see what will happen on USD card. USCHF also. I'm hoping to see sellers coming on board in this market, and that is why I'm very, very patient with it. Euro USD, I'm looking for a sell to buy scenario. Although we have a break of this structure, but market did not break this low. So we could have market drop down before moving to the upside. And that is why I'll look towards some bullish sentiment. Okay, so I'm bullish on Euro USD, GBP USD, although the market is currently moving at some sales currently, but my bias is still bullish for Euro USD and GBP USD. And don't forget, market might not be very, very stable because of the news coming up by 8 p.m. Because of the news coming up by 8 p.m., so market might not be very, very stable. Okay, so let's look at daily time frame for, okay, because we are in a, okay, so that's our high, this is our low. 4 hours time frame. Okay, so we are having a couple of rejections at this zone, right? So this is the first rejection. Market has not shown where it's headed. I mean, we can take a short sell on gold. We can take a short sell down to this level, but I won't advise that. If you take a short sell down to this level, 2643, 2643.11, maybe a short sell to 2643.11 could lead us to a buyer's area, right? So let me see what the level of take profits will be. That's about 30 pips and 30 pips. Let's say 1:1 on gold. On gold, a break of this market movement. Let's be patient on gold. Let's be patient on gold to see what will happen. Okay, so if you want us to drop any pair, want us to analyze any pair, kindly write it in the comment section. Want us to analyze any pair, you can write it in the comment section. Want us to analyze any pair, kindly write in the comment section. AUD USD, okay. Okay. Okay, so AUD/USD is still looking bearish. We are in a retracement phase, right? And I would love to see a break above this high. I'd love to see a break above this high, right? So I'd love to see a break above this high before I think of buying. 15 minutes time frame is literally the same thing. So let's see. Although my bias is bullish, right? My bias is bullish. AUD/USD, very solid buy to 0.63210 VTR. So my bias is still bullish on AUD/USD. But then we never can tell because this is also a supply zone and that's not been broken. So let's wait and watch what will happen at this zone. So let's look at a recap. Here's a card. I gave a sell signal and market is just still having a small drawdown. USCHF, I would love to see a sell coming up on USCHF. Probably we should use a sell stop. So probably sell stop on USCHF around here. Then we take this place as our first TP. Then this place would be our second TP. Then stop loss will be around here. So I'm going to write it down. Here's the CHF, sell stop. Okay, so that is that this afternoon. That is that this afternoon. Let's see what we have this afternoon. Okay, I'm not moved by the sell that's happening at the moment. I'm not moved by the sell happening at the moment. My bias is still bullish, and I'll look forward to where to enter the market. So GBP JPY, the last one for the day. So we are still bullish on GBP JPY. The bias is still bullish, so we look for best way to enter into the market. And we have a breakout structure here. So I think we are still looking towards more buyers for GBP JPY, because market still needs to get to this level. So more buyers for GBP JPY. So I'll be bullish on GBP JPY. My bias is still bullish for GBP JPY. My bias is still very bullish for JPY. But there's no entry yet for me. So the only signal we drop right is USD card, is sell signal for USD card, sell stop signal for USD CHF, and probably a sell scalp for gold, but it is not given. For the USCHF, it was written on the funded client group. So if you're a funded client, kindly reach out to your account manager to add you to that group, to the funded client group. Yeah, you can hold it, still hold it, because it has not triggered. Okay, so thank you very much, everybody. Thanks for your time. So the market is not fully stable at the moment, but then because we are expecting the last FOMC for the year, also by next week, also we will also be having daily analysis and all that. Have a wonderful trading time, everybody. Good afternoon.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a great day.
And you too.